Hello and welcome to TA for Traders on Friday the 28th of April. In this second video of the day we'll be looking at the Euro Japanese Yen currency charts. What we'll see is that combined with a strength in the euro after the first round of the French presidential election and some weak economic figures coming out of Japan this week, this Forex cross has had a really big run up over the week. However, we'll also see it stays in its downtrend and if anything should be traded to the downside. On the daily, you can see the performance of the euro against the Japanese yen over the last 10 days. It's gone through all its resistance levels and through the moving averages and has been a spectacular performer. However, you can see that I've drawn the downtrend line from the peaks that we've seen in the 15th of December, 29th of December, carrying on 9th of Jan and then through the 10th of March. And we're not yet above that line. So that characterizes the downtrend. That's a picture of continual lower highs. That does need to be broken. To break above that, we'd need to break above the high of the 13th of March, 122.735. So until that happens, the downtrend's still in place. What I will say is that on the charts it's positive. We've gone through all the moving averages. You can see now that the longer term 200-day moving average, this red line, has now bottomed and is moving up. We're getting the 20-day about to cross that in a bullish formation as they're both moving upwards, a golden cross as it's called, and we're getting the 50-day also rolling round. So all the moving averages are starting to move up. That means that if the market were to pull down, they would give support. What we're seeing on the RSI, obviously strong positive momentum. It's in an uptrend. It's presently at 68.16, well above 50, not yet overbought. MACD, they are also positive as well. So really the technical indicators are all starting to flash bullish. We just need to break this downtrend on the daily. Now looking at the weekly, and here you can see we've just gone through the downtrend in 20-week moving average. You can see the downtrend that we need to break, and you can see how significant it would be if we did break that downtrend with the next next band of resistance starting at the 127. Here we go, 120, 127.5, 128 level. Here the RSI has broken its downtrend as well, which is good. MACD not as good. Short term still below the long term, but keep an eye on it. In the immediate short term, looking at the 4-hour chart, here you can actually see that we are in a small downtrend on the 4-hour. We need to break above 121.88 to break that downtrend. We are getting support from the 20 moving average, so that's the 24-hour moving average, which is giving the push up. It should give the push through this downtrend in this short-term chart. Let's wait and see. Here you've got the 50 about to cross the 200, but the 200 is still going down, so it's a nothing cross that. RSI obviously did show strong positive momentum, got slightly overbought, has unwound, is ticking back up, but that's quite a good picture. MACD is neutral. So looking at the support resistance levels, sorry, that's the wrong one, on the Euro Japanese Yen. And you can see that the first resistance at 121.977. Then we've got this downtrend, and that's up presently at 122.08, with the supports at the 50-day, which is turning around 119.38, and then the second support at the 200-day. Well, the 20 days around there as well, and that's at 117.933. So that has been TA for Traders looking at the euro against the Japanese yen. I hope you found this video of interest. Thanks for watching it right through to the end. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. There's videos coming every day. And please remember that these videos are my opinions. They're not meant as investment recommendations, and they're just for educational purposes. Please do read the disclaimer.